Today with this beautiful platan. Well, not many leaves, but still beautiful. In this simmering hot sun, I introduced the first flaneur to Pézilla-de-la-rivière. Pézilla-de-la-rivière, which is a village that is between Villeneuve-de-la-Rivière, no de la Rao, y Corneille-de-la-Rivière. So, as you might recall, we visited a village called Corneille del Vercoil and also Villeneuve de la Rao. So now we have Pézilla de la Rivière, that is between the two. One Villeneuve is to the east, and Corneille is to the west. So here, by route D614, we are going to start this Flâneur. There you have the name in French and here in Catalan. So off we go. So that's Pézilla to that direction, and to that direction then we have Corneille. So let's keep moving to Pézilla, the town. So well, after about a few hundred meters, I'm arriving at the entrance of the town. It's the first set of paints, and then we have this one showing the sister communities or towns. One Tramonti in Italy, La Granadella, Catalonia, I think that's southern Catalonia, so Spain, in Sai or Say, I don't know, in Niger. I said sister communities, the actual translation would be twin communities, but I think in English would be more like sisters. I wanted to show something else, but I think things are going to get a bit complicated now here. So there's a Chateau d'Eau, it's a modern one. So this will be the stop, line 14, which it took me about 40 minutes from Perpignan till here. So it was the whole trip from Catalonia till Pézilla-de-la-rivière, and that's the name of the very bus stop. Those were terms. So I'm going to go this way. It's not a main street, but anyway, I can see the top of the church from here. So I'm gonna go this way better. So you can go check on YouTube a very well done aerial images from a drone. I think it's from the town hall or something. Got a clock tower. It has a cross on top, and over there we have another one that's still one, but I don't know if either or well, if it's a church too. Let's see if this has water. Yes, it does, but it's so hot. Okay, now it's colder, but I don't know if I should drink like from this. Anyway, so I don't know if this is La Rivière or a canal or what. And look at this. If you saw the previous video in Bachas, how these are in like in marble. I don't know. Wow, unfortunately I took this, well, I think I took this path because the main street is more urban, let's say, so it's hotter. Here it is fresh around here, so it's just enclosed by the buildings. So. Okay, that's the clock tower. So I'm gonna go see if it's a church or what. So, okay, there's a lot of passages through here. Some which I don't know if they're private or not. I like this place. Okay, so this is the church, yes. Although I think by the side that's a house. And he has like tiles, mosaics. So here we have a circuit for d'exposition, l'accélère les roues d'hier aujourd'hui, réveillé en 2022. So for the circuit, l'accélère, the streets from yesterday and in 2 days developed in 2022, I say. So let's see. So this is a second photograph. This is the third one. And as you might have noticed, those are places around town. So we have another small street here. And look, something that I like around here is, oh, okay. Oh, okay. So this is the house that I said that has like the house is this is the front of the house, and that's how you can see the church behind. I didn't take any images of it because, like I said, I didn't know if it was private house or what. But well, there you got it. So this is the back wall of it. And obviously, there you have the church. And I'm gonna see if I can enter the church or what. So the name of the church is L'Église de Sainte Hostis, Oti. So it's like the Church of the Holy Wafer. I don't know. I think there's a mass, so I will pause. So I think there's a mass. I might pause. I don't think it's a mass because I didn't see any priest. But there's indeed some event going on there, so to respect the privacy, I'm going to continue in there. So whether you had, there was a pond that I showed you. I mean, it's too hot for me to stand there to read, so. And well, there you got more pictures, more photographs. I think that was the last one. To me, it seems. I mean, it looks old, but at the same time, it looks like renewed. Like, look at these walls. They don't seem to be. Well, they seem to be renewed. Okay, that wasn't the last picture because there's one here. And there you got another one here. Like I said when I went to Vashas, this is so weird that there's no people around here. They feel like ghost towns. Although I wonder, I mean, are these people work or what? Because a lot of hot people live here, but it's weird. Okay, and there's a bell tower. Let's see what's that, if it's another church or was. Okay, we have another photo here. This one is completely old one. There you go. And oh, it's like an entrance where the bell tower is. Oh, and there's another picture of it. That this one's a mobile one. There you got it. Although you could see people in there, like ghosts. And there you got the tower, or the bell tower, where we have this list of the residents. And I see there are names that are from other regions. I mean, like Puig, that's Catalonian. Chevalier, I don't know, but we got like, well, I saw a Breton, I don't know how to say that in English, but from Bretagne, and I can't spell it now. So here we have the point of interest, and that's by the side of the church, culture center, the town hall, and schools. The town hall is on the main street, so I might go in a while. So remember, you can pause and read the information here. And with the bells, and in this score, I say goodbye for the first part of this Flâneur at Pézilla-de-la-rivière.